name is Chance, and I live in Youngsville.
So Chance, tell me this. When you very first came in here, what was your major complaint?
I had extreme pain in my lower back, and basically I couldn't stand or sit for long periods of time, and it hurt just to move around, but especially when I was still for a long time.
Yeah, and you had trouble sitting in the truck.
I had trouble sitting in the truck, driving, laying in bed, just sitting and standing for a long period of time.
Yeah, so for such a young guy, you were in a mess. What is your age now?
29.
29, yeah, so you're not even 30 here, so that wasn't okay.
Just in a couple months.
A couple months, all right. Now, what did we decide the actual problem was?
It was a pinched nerve as I hurt my back a month or two prior to when I hurt my back and came in here. And it did eventually get better, but it was the next time I hurt my back by just coughing. It wasn't even a sitting or picking up type deal.
Yeah, so it was ready to go, and it
Yeah.
did. All right, so now we've been doing spinal decompression therapy.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Spinal decompression therapy and the heat therapy have worked wonders. From first time I came in here, it helped, and then time after time it got even better and better. And I remember really hurting one day, and I had a appointment to come in, and finally got to the appointment. And when I walked back out to my truck and when I drove home, it felt a whole lot better.
100%.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. All right. And so it sounds as though you would recommend spinal decompression therapy.
I would definitely recommend it, especially over drugs or surgery.
Right, because didn't you have a friend who had back surgery? You told me.
I used to work with a guy who had back surgery, and actually, he told me to start with, he was going to regular doctors, and they were just giving him pain medication for it, and it didn't help it, just caused a bigger problem. And then finally went to a specialist and had surgery, which it did help him, but he still in wintertime it was really hard for him. He experienced a whole lot of back pain still in wintertime.
Yeah, and so you guys go through the wintertime and the summertime because you're in the HVAC business.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so people won't know what you mean by wintertime. Yeah, but I know exactly what you mean. And that
I feel a whole lot better now that I've actually took some action besides